Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect headphones earbuds on your Motorola Edge 70. So first up, the Motorola Edge 70 does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can't plug in traditional headphones directly, but don't worry. There is plenty of options how to listen to music in headphones. So first option is using a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter. So grab a USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter, plug it into the USB-C port at the bottom of your phone, and then connect your wired headphones to the adapter. Second option is using a USB-C wired headphones. If you don't want an adapter, you can just get a USB-C headphones and plug them straight into the phone. And the last option is using a wireless headphones. So as the Motorola Edge 70 works perfectly with Bluetooth earbuds or headphones, just open settings, go to Bluetooth, turn it on, and then select your device to connect. And basically that's it. Even so, the Motorola Edge 70 does not have a headphone jack, you still have easy ways to use wired or wireless headphones to listen your favorite music. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.